Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free and save $199 Nutanix NCP-AI certification 2025. This is for the first 250 candidates only, and this is the artificial intelligence exam. So this is a limited time offer. Nutanix has launched the brand new NCP-AI Nutanix Certified Professional Artificial Intelligence certification, and it's 100% free for the first 250 candidates only. Regular price is $199. So prove your expertise in AI and GenAI and Kubernetes and cloud infrastructure deployment, configuration and troubleshooting, and artificial intelligence integration. So exam available starting from the November 11 2025. Take it online or in person. You can visit the exam center. So promotion code with the NCP new free. Hurry up before it expires. Don't miss with the chance to the boost your career on artificial intelligence and cloud with the globally recognized certification. So register now and save $199. So this is the registration link. I'm going through this link. So prove your NAI's skill. Nutanix artificial intelligence skill with the new NCP AI certification, and this is limited period offer. So go through all the things, and you will be tested on deployment, Nutanix AI expertise on configure the environment, day-to operations, troubleshooting, application integration. Check out the exam blueprint guide on and to learn more. For limited time offer, take it free. And this is the NCP AI exam now open for the scheduling appointment starting on November 11 2025. So this is the code, exam code is there, and this is for the first 250 candidates only. So click here. So get certified and configure, take NAIA course. So open this one. It will redirect to the login page. So sign up. Or let me check with my login. Okay. So I have to go for the sign up. Put your name. Put your phone number. Country is India. And password. Okay. Personal domains are not allowed. So I'll put my company email address here. Okay, after login, you will get this page. So click again here. We'll directly go to the particular course. So this is my course URL. So NCP AI 6.10 exam. You have to enroll this one. You can start all the test and take your exam. So step by step, we'll go through that, and finally we have a option of the enroll that. So let me check with the. So enterprise course is there. Let me check that. So take the exam with the in-person testing or remote uh, proctoring exam. You can go through that exam dashboard. So this is a test taker, psiexams.com/Nutanix, and here you can go with that. Go to the available test. So NCP-AI. Check with the code NCP-AI 6.10, and this is the my promo code. So you copy the promo code. We need the promo code for the scheduling the exam. So click here. Continue booking. The price is $199. So go for the continue booking. Language English. I'm taking online. Continue booking. My name. So mobile number and skip verification for now. So identity we can skip for now. Later on I'll just capture the ID. Country and your time zone. So find and 11th November. I'll take one date. So click on 29. Evening 7 p.m. I'm taking just selected and selected this one. Book this slot. Ranchi, Jharkhand 8340004, and my country is India. So continue. Okay, we need the state Jharkhand. Continue. So slot is there. Let me space to put the coupon. Schedule capture ID. I'm going again from that test center. You pre-approve. You are eligible to take exam until 3/11. Okay. So what is the coupon code? Continue booking. I didn't get the code. Skip verification. So this is okay. And just I'm checking with the December 13, and that is just 7 p.m. Book this slot. Okay, voucher option is in above. We are searching this one. So apply. Yeah, this is a 0 USD. This is a main thing for that. So continue. So, so everything is done now. Okay. So now I have to upload my photo ID, and we have already seen the zero USD price. So step by step we have done all the things. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free save $199 Nutanix NCP-AI certification 2025. This is about the first 250 candidates only. Artificial intelligence exam limited time offer. Nutanix has launched the brand new NCP-AI. This is the artificial intelligence certification. Step by step go through that, and promo code is given here. So use the promo code. This is for the 250 candidates only. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.